Alright, what's up, ladies and genitals? I'm here to bring you a very interesting, very important update on Cardano ADA. Guys, it is near a breakout point. In this video, I'm going to run through some technical analysis, talk about what I see happening both short-term and long-term, kind of my both short-term and long-term price targets, and possible retracement levels. So, if you like the sound of that, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell icon notified of new uploads. So, guys, I've identified what I believe to be the key support and resistance levels. I'm not even going to look at our indicators in this video, to be honest, because the most important thing that we need to understand is this. The fact that Cardano is forming a very macro ascending triangle, and whatever way we break out of this thing, whether above or below, we're likely to trend in that direction for quite some time. Honestly, that's, I think, the most important thing to keep our eye out for. I think we're just likely to trend within this thing until we break out. We have roughly, if we take a look at our indicator here, max a week before we break out. I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if we have a breakout much sooner than that with Cardano. I think I've identified the most important support level to look out for with Cardano in order to remain short-term bullish, which is the 50 simple moving average on the 12-hour. It's the moving average. That most closely hugs the lower extremities of this ascending channel, the green line, the support line here. Between the EMAs and the SMAs, simple moving averages, I believe this one is the most helpful. If we start to break down and close below the 50 simple moving average on the 12-hour, very bad news bears, very no bueno. I think at that point we need to rethink Cardano's price structure. Also, I've identified a few key support levels that we could find support if indeed we do break down. Kind of the 35 cents for to 34 cents will act as key support. We see there's a bunch of volume building up in these ranges, a lot of sideways price consolidation, and it's kind of a very price reactive zone here. Aside from that, I think kind of 32 cents to 30 cents, and aside from that, I'd say say 27 cents 6 to 26 cents will act as critical support for Cardano. Now, let's take kind of the short-term price target. Where could we go? Well, ultimately, actually, before I get to that, I kind of want to say the key level we need to look out for Cardano is 40 cents. I believe if Cardano can tackle 40 cents and get above it, I think Cardano has a very, very good chance of absolutely exploding, because I would consider that a bullish breakout. If we take the height of this ascending triangle and assume that this is the breakout point, could Cardano go to 60 cents if we break out bullishly? I think so. I think what we need to look out for, whether you're looking to swing trade or scalp trade, just go a quick go. If you're looking to see when it's going to pump, when to accumulate, when to know direction more clearly, I think the key level is 40 cents. Both psychological, and we can see it was price reactive. That's where we got rejected before, last time we tried to pump. So if Cardano can get above 40 cents, I do believe Cardano has a good chance of reaching 60 cents in kind of the short to midterm, if and when Cardano can tackle 40 cents. Now, long term, I think Cardano, people say Cardano's like a competitor with Ethereum, and to an extent is, but guys, I really do believe, I'll put it this way, I am not a blockchain maximalist, meaning I think there's multiple blockchains that can be doing interesting things in the blockchain space, and that can be scalable, that can all succeed at the same time. It doesn't have to be one or nothing. Like people say Ethereum and Cardano and Polkadot are all in competition with each other, and to some extent they are, but I do think that they all have a room to succeed all throughout this bull run. So while I love Ethereum, and I love Ethereum a bit more than Cardano at this point, just because I think Ethereum's more developed, I still do think Cardano has a very good chance of not only performing well in the short term, especially if we break out, but even long term. I mean, I own some Cardano myself, guys. I own Ethereum, Polkadot, and Cardano as long-term investments. So I believe in all of them. But just to kind of say, when I think long-term, guys, I think the low dollars, say $2 for Cardano at the peak of this bull run, I think that makes a lot of sense. Is that realistic? Is that reasonable? I think so. Is that a guarantee? Absolutely not. The cryptocurrency markets is the most highly volatile asset class in the world. Expect, if you're in cryptocurrency, that we could see a 5, 10, 15, 30% pullback tomorrow. But I do think the long-term situation for crypto is very bullish. I don't have the chart pulled up right now, but I do think Bitcoin is likely to top off, reach its peak around September, October this year, and Ethereum and the altcoins such as Cardano to peak out roughly a month after Bitcoin. So those are my thoughts, folks. Once Bitcoin starts to peak out, that's when I'll really be looking to get out of Dodge with some of these altcoins. I'll be looking to scale out late third quarter, early fourth quarter this year, and I hope you guys consider such a strategy. I really hope in this video I've armed you guys with all the knowledge you need to know in order to be able to trade and invest in Cardano successfully. Stay tuned to this channel, folks. If anything interesting happens, if it breaks out, we'll definitely be talking about it here first. As well, join our Discord. The link will be down in the description below. As well, guys, if you're interested in trading these markets, if you're already been trading, you're looking around for an exchange, we recommend bybit. Bybit is by far the best exchange we've used for trading. We've had a hell of a time with some exchanges, and we love trading bybit. If you're an experienced trader, please check out bybit. Link down in the description below. Be very careful with leverage trading, guys. Leverage trading is very risky. We do not recommend it unless you're experienced and you know what you're doing. We don't recommend trading period unless you're experienced and know what you're doing, let alone leverage. So guys, check that out. As well, token metrics. Token metrics, guys, we love using it. It's a very good research tool. It's another great data point. It's price predictions and portfolio suggestions. So check that out. Link down in the description below. Use our link. There's like it helps us out, and you get token metrics. They have a paid like week trial. I think it's like $10 for a week. You can check that out using our link down in the description below. So yeah, that's those are my thoughts for now, folks. We just have to wait for this breakout. All right, take care, everyone.